Okay, here we go. It is cold, cold bad. Freezing cold. This is Jamaica Avenue right here. This is a main street. And there's a bus route. See all them bus? Bus back and forth. So this is where the bus will drop me off. And then I gotta turn slow so the video wouldn't shake. Okay, so see how much bus running here? So I get off here and then I walk in here. Walk in one block, one long block. Let's go see. And the high grey building. Let me get out to here. Yeah, the grey building down at the end that the sun reflecting on. That's where I work, upstairs there. This second to last floor at the top. So let's go. They tried to clean up some parts, but some people didn't clean. Now like over here. See? Nobody cleared anything there. So this is just another short video, so you can get an idea of what it's like around here during winter, during old man winter. Not nice. Look nice, but really not nice. So you're gonna walk in the snow here, on this ice here. Hope I don't slide down. Hope I don't slide. Wow. I don't know why they didn't shovel this. It not too hard. Or they could get a little bobcat and just move it out of the way. You know, snow is really rain, the same rain clouds. It's just that the temperature, something called the polar vortex, is a cold temperature or a cold wave coming down from the north, from the polar north, and it spread downward, and as it come downward, any rain cloud happen to be there and ready to fall, it freezes. It come down freezing as snow. So it's really the same rain clouds that get frozen, that get caught in the polar vortex. So wherever this vortex stop, the remainder would be rain. I don't know why these people are not supposed to drive here. You see they got a gate here. Alright. So we're here again. So we're back here again. I think these dump trucks might be picking up the snow. They might pick it up, put them in the trucks and take them somewhere. A lot of them. A lot of dump trucks. Oh man. Wow, wow. Alright, so here we are once again. Almost there. And these brownstone buildings here is owned by a Guyanese company. The company called Zara. I think they originally from West Coast. Some Muslim people. But the man himself, Zara, he passed away a couple of years ago. But the business remained in the family. I think his brother and his sons. See, that's his business. He got a lot of business. A lot of these brownstones. He got to be a billionaire. They got to be billionaires, which would make them Guyanese trillionaires. All right, so that's it for now.